Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You begin by powering off the Surface Pro 4 and removing any accessories. This prevents shorting and keeps connectors safe. Once done, open the kickstand and place the tablet face up on a soft, static-free mat. Heat the front edges with a hairdryer or low heat gun to soften adhesive. Move continuously to avoid warping. While warm, attach a small suction cup near a corner, pull gently to create a 1-2 mm gap, and insert a thin plastic pick to hold that gap before you continue. With a stable gap held by a pick, continue prying the bezel open by sliding picks along the long edges. This releases adhesive without cracking the glass. Make sure to reheat any stubborn spots for about 10-20 seconds, and then try again. Repeated gentle passes, beat one hard lever. Once you reach the top edge, stop before fully lifting. The digitizer and LCD are still connected by fragile ribbon cables located near the top. Maintain that shallow gap and prepare to disconnect cables. Now lift the screen just enough to access the small ZIF connectors. You will see 2 or 3 flat ribbon cables. Use a plastic spudger to flip the tiny connector latches and pull ribbons straight out. This prevents tearing. Once disconnected, you can fully remove the display assembly. If reassembly causes no touch or image, power off and reseat each ribbon, ensuring latches click. If adhesive gaps remain, reheat and press down with even pressure for 1-2 minutes to restore bonding.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.